Firstly, I want you all to please copy para 5. I hope you all have copied para 5, and without saying you have copied para 12 also. Please copy para 13 complete over here. If you have not copied para 12, it is visible. Please copy it right now. It is not completing in one page. There is one note to be given. Note. There is only one small para remaining, which will be moving on to the next page. Note says that first, abnormal loss should be shown separately in P&L accounts. Second, normal loss should be borne by other units. Abnormal loss should be borne by other units. So please write down the note. This is very important. It is a part of cost accounting over here. I hope you all have copied the note one. The entire page. I hope you all have copied the entire page. Now last para 24. Raw materials are written down only if finished good valued below cost. What does this mean? I'll explain you. Firstly, I'll write the entire para. If finished goods is valued, we'll write above cost, sold above cost, then raw materials is valued at cost. Then raw material is valued at cost, normal thing. This you all know. But if finished good is valued below cost, sold below cost, then the raw materials is valued at cost or NRV, whichever is lower. So this is very important para. It has a practical application in the practice manual. There is a sum on this. So firstly, understand what does this mean. Raw materials are written down only if finished goods are valued below cost. So see, raw material is a stock that you have already purchased and it is there in your closing stock, and you have made a finished goods which is valued below cost. You have costed that this finished good will be sold at certain amount, but if such finished good is valued below cost and sold below cost, then such raw materials is to be valued at cost or NRV, whichever is lower. The normal formula, the normal pattern of raw materials of the closing stock, that we value at cost or market value, that is NRV, whichever is lower as per para 5. Okay. But if the finished good is valued above cost, sold above cost, then raw material is to be valued at cost. So this is the direction given in para 24 in AS2 valuation of inventories. I hope this is clear. There is nothing new to explain in this accounting standard, because inventories, we are dealing with inventories from our 11th standard. Only they have given a detailed review. Direction is given us how to value like this para 5 direction. We were studying it from 11th standard, but we came to know in IPC that Inventories are to be valued at cost or market value or NRV, whichever is lower. This is given in para 5 as per accounting standard 2. So this is just a guideline. Okay. I know you have not copied this. Please pause the video and copy this first. Then there is one more part. Then we'll entirely complete this accounting standard. Hope you have copied this. Now we'll see how to cost the inventory. Cost of inventory. Cost of inventories. Inventories are either produced or either purchased. Now we'll see. Either produced or either purchased. When produced, how to cost it? Raw material cost plus conversion cost. Conversion cost, and then we get cost. In conversion cost, it is further divided into variable cost, and then it is further divided into fixed cost. Variable cost and fixed cost we will study in cost accounting, so just don't strain on it, because this part, the question related to this part is not there in the practice manual, so just don't worry. Only purchase related is there, but still I am teaching it over here. Then when we will be studying cost accounting, it will be easier. Fixed cost, it is how to value fixed cost. Variable cost means it is automatically exists. Fixed cost means what is variable cost and what is fixed cost. Variable cost is a cost which changes as per the increase in the quantity of the product. If there are 10,000 units produced, then if 1 rupees is the variable cost, so the total variable cost will be 10,000 into 1, that is rupees 10,000. But if the units increases to 12,000, the variable cost will remain same, only 1 rupees. Okay. As the units increase, the total variable cost will increase. How much? 12,000 into 1 comes to rupees 12,000. Okay. So that is variable cost. But what is fixed cost? Fixed cost is something like a rent of a particular place that you have taken. It will be same even if you produce 10,000 unit, even if you produce 12,000 unit. So if the rent is rupees 10,000 and you produce 10,000 units, it will be allocated in that manner. But if you produce 12,000 units, it will not be divided by each unit, otherwise it will become variable cost. It will be fixed cost, it will be direct, the amount will be directly added, like the entire variable cost, how amount was added, 10,000 into 1, 10,000 rupees 10,000, and fixed cost direct rupees 10,000, it will not be divided. Okay, how to value fixed cost? If just take it down, you will not understand it right now. While doing cost accounting, that time you will understand. If normal production greater than, this is greater than sign, actual production, therefore fixed cost divided by normal production. If normal production less than actual production, therefore fixed cost divided by actual production. Please don't strain on it right now, please copy it down. When I'll be solving cost, when I'll be teaching cost accounting to you all, that time we'll come back over here and I'll explain you again. So purchases, when you purchase an inventory, how to cost it, how to write it in your books. See, purchase price plus taxes that you have paid, only if it is non-refundable. Wait, I write it in proper manner. Refundable. Add transportation costs / handling cost plus any other cost to bring the inventories to its present location for use. Okay, it is location for you. So firstly I want you all to please copy para 2024 you have copied. This is something important. Only this part is very important. This part will come back while we are doing cost accounting. So please firstly copy this part, then I'll explain you the entire AS2 again. Hope you have copied this much.